My hair is extremely frizzy, especially during the summer if I go on vacation to a beach. So I came across this wow and I'm gonna try it out. I used to do Brazilian blowouts all the freaking time and I just was like, oh my God, that's probably way too many chemicals to be putting on my hair. So I decided to try this out. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. Now you do have to saturate your hair. I guess it would help to take this off. So you wanna saturate your hair. And this is a really big bottle, so don't be afraid to really get your hair nice and coated. So now I'm gonna blow dry it. And it takes forever to blow dry my hair, so I'll be back. Okay, now that that is all done, that literally took an hour to dry my hair. So what I realized is when you use this, it's going to put a coat on your hair and it actually changes the texture. So it's a lot thicker. So it's coating your strands of hair. So it's going to stay straight for like 3 to 4 days. And I think my hair is still wet. So I'm going to go back to blow drying just a little bit more. So as you can see, my hair is still a little bit frizzy, but it's less frizzier than if I were not to use that product. Okay, so now I've had my hot iron on and I'm just going to take it through my hair. Just like this, just to activate it. So I'm going to continue to do that. So here's the difference. This is the product that I used and it puts a coat on it. So I washed my hair, came out, soaked my hair in this, spraying it all over. It's a big bottle. Don't be afraid to use a lot. And then I took a blow dryer to my hair and then now I activated it by taking this flat iron to my hair, just pulling it through. And so here is the difference right here. Frizzy, I haven't put the hot iron through my hair yet. I put the hot iron through my hair. Big difference. Isn't that cool? And it's supposed to last for like 3 to 4 days. So I'm super excited. Try this product out. It's down on my shopping cart and I will finish up the rest of my hair. Isn't that really cool? All the frizz is gone. So if you guys have never had a Brazilian blowout, this product does exactly what a Brazilian blowout would do without all the harsh chemicals. So I washed my hair, I came out, I towel dried my hair, I sprayed quite a bit of this product on my hair, saturating it. I spent time blow drying it. When I was blow drying my hair, I kind of just pulled it down just to kind of start taking the frizz out, but then it's activated when you apply your hot iron to this. So make sure you check out the video of my hair when prior to doing the flat iron, because it was extremely frizzy. So I'm really excited for this.